Are you looking for financial assistance? Applying for a Rocket loan could be the solution. This online platform is designed to make borrowing easy and efficient. Rocket Loans is a part of Rocket Companies, which also includes Quicken Loans and Rocket Mortgage. They offer personal loans with fixed interest rates and terms between 36 to 60 months. You can borrow anywhere from $2,000 to $45,000 for various uses like home improvements or medical expenses. The application process is simple. Usually, it takes only 5 to 10 minutes. Once approved, funds may be deposited the same day. Before diving into the loan application, make sure you have the right tools. You'll need RDP, SOC 5 or a reliable VPN, a local bank account with a 6-7 month salary history, login details for your bank account, fulls with a credit score of 600 or more, matching email and phone number from the fulls, a background checker to verify details. Now, let's walk through the application process step by step. First, connect to a secure VPN and ensure your IP is clean. Then, visit the Rocket Loans website and click Apply Now. Next, begin filling out your application. When asked what the loan is for, you might say, home improvement. For your employment status, select Employed, and enter your annual income based on your earlier calculations. Then, provide your current home address, phone number, and date of birth that matches your SSN information. Also, ensure you provide the right email and SSN link to your fulls. After submitting your info, wait a few minutes. The site will check your credit score. If all goes well, you'll see a congratulatory message with your approved amount. Remember to keep the loan amount under $10,000. Next, create your account using your selected email. Verify your bank info by logging back into your bank account. If everything is correct, you'll receive a message saying, your money is on the way. To improve your chances of approval, consider these tips. Enhance your credit score by paying off debts and making timely payments. Provide recent pay stubs and bank statements to show your income. Opt for a shorter loan term for better approval odds and lower interest rates. Double-check all information for accuracy. Applying for a Rocket loan doesn't have to be complicated. By following these steps and tips, you can secure the funds you need. Remember, ensure your fulls information meets all requirements. Otherwise, you may face rejections. Take action today and start your application for a Rocket loan.